if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help speed up your gameplay experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing the resolution, texture quality, and shadow settings can significantly improve frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Shut down any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 4. Enable performance mode. If you are using a gaming console or PC with performance settings, switch to performance mode. This prioritizes frame rate over visual quality, helping to reduce stuttering. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your adventure in Elden Ring.